Are you stuck in a traditional job but dream of working remotely, having more flexibility, or even starting your own online venture? Transitioning to a digital career may seem daunting, but with the right strategy, it's entirely possible. In this video, I will break down exactly how you can shift from a traditional job to a thriving digital career, step by step. So, let's dive in. Understanding the digital landscape. First, let's understand what a digital career actually means. A digital career is any job that primarily involves online work. This includes fields like digital marketing, web development, content creation, remote consulting, and freelancing. According to recent studies, remote and digital jobs are growing at an exponential rate, making now the best time to make the switch. But before jumping in, you need clarity on which path suits you the best. Some key benefits of a digital career include location independence, work from anywhere in the world, flexibility, set your own schedule, diverse income streams, earn from multiple projects or clients, career resilience, stay ahead in the ever-changing job market, identifying transferable skills. The good news, you already have skills that can be used in a digital career. For example, communication skills, copywriting, social media management, sales experience, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, administrative work, virtual assistance, project management, teaching or training, online coaching, course creation. Start by listing your strengths and seeing how they align with the digital roles. One of the best exercises is to audit your current job role. Ask yourself, what task do I excel at? What part of my job do I enjoy the most? What skills can be applied in a digital setting? Once you identify your skills, research how others are monetizing them online. LinkedIn, YouTube, and online job boards are great resources. Learning digital skills. Now, you might need to upskill to be job ready. Some of the most in-demand digital skills include digital marketing, SEO, social media, or email marketing, coding and web development, graphic design and video editing, data analytics and AI tools. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, and YouTube offer affordable courses to get you started. Set aside time daily to learn and practice. Additionally, consider online boot camps for intensive training, networking with professionals already in your target industry, joining online communities where people share job leads and resources, building an online presence. Once you gain skills, the next step is visibility. Here's how to build your digital presence. Optimize your LinkedIn profile and connect with industry professionals. Create a personal website or portfolio showcasing your work. Share insights and projects on social media platforms. This increases credibility and helps attract opportunities. Another key tip, start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast in your niche. Consistently sharing valuable content establishes you as an authority in your industry and attracts jobs or client offers. Earning while you learn. You don't have to quit your job immediately. Start small by taking freelance projects or part-time gigs on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer for gig work, TopTil, People Per Hour for specialized skills, LinkedIn, Reddit, and Facebook groups for networking and hidden opportunities. Building side income gives financial security. Before making a full transition, when starting out, focus on gaining experience over high pay. Offer free or discounted services to build a strong portfolio, collect testimonials, and establish credibility. Consider creating multiple income streams, such as online courses or digital products, affiliate marketing, consulting, or coaching services, making the leap. When you start making a stable income from your digital work, it's time to transition full time. Set a financial goal. For example, earning 70% of your salary from digital work before quitting. Plan your exit strategy. Resignation notice, savings for 3 to 6 months. Have a long-term career plan to ensure your growth. This ensures a smooth and stress-free transition. A good rule of thumb: always have a backup plan. Unexpected challenges can arise, so prepare for setbacks and keep adapting. Also, keep investing in learning. The digital world evolves rapidly, and staying ahead requires continuous skill development. Making the shift from a traditional job to a digital career is an exciting journey, but it requires planning and persistence. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more career insights. And let me know in the comments what digital career interests you the most. See you in the next video.